Right, well, this is the first time I've actually used the microphone with the GoPro, and this is the beginning of a daily Courier run that I do in the center of Buenos Aires every single day around about 2:30ish, and it takes me about 10 minutes to get to where I need to collect the goods that I deliver, and today I'm delivering about 5 small packages to various addresses within the city, and it's not too difficult because fortunately they're all fairly close together. Over there to the right you can just about see the United States Embassy. Let's get in here. I always like to get to the front when I can. I think it's maybe just a bit of an obsession more than anything else. It's very hot today, I think about 32 or 33. It's far too hot for wearing all the gear, all the protective jackets and trousers and everything, because you literally just roast alive. So I'm down to a long sleeve shirt because that sun really is hot, and the last time I did it in a t-shirt, my arms got completely burned after a couple of hours. And a pair of jeans, boots, no gloves, although I'm thinking of getting some summer protective gloves. Right, where we are now, that is known as La Rural, the big exhibition centre, and we're heading down to an area called Palermo Soho to be exact. It's very straightforward. And just after these traffic lights here, there's a bit of a sort of a roundabout where it always gets rather congested, and you have to make sure you're in the right lane, otherwise you won't get there. This part of it's actually rather fun. If you can get around these cars and everything. Oh, those bus drivers seem to know what they're doing, that's for sure. No, he's going left. Ooh. I'm going in there because I couldn't see the light. It takes a while to get to understand the pedestrian crossings. This bit is like this every single day that I come here. Not so easy to get past the cars. Yes, pedestrian crossings, when the lights turn green and you're, let's say, turning right and there's a pedestrian crossing immediately to your right, and there are people waiting to cross, you would think that you would have to wait at the pedestrian crossing until there was absolutely nobody on the crossing. But it doesn't work like that in practice. This is a really busy busy street. I'm not sure what it's called. Where are we? No, it doesn't actually say. Well, as I said earlier, this is the first time I've used a microphone, you know, to give a voiceover while I'm riding. That's because GoPro, in their infinite wisdom, don't allow you to plug a microphone directly into the GoPro. Well, mine's a Hero 5. So you have to buy an adapter, which has got a DAC incorporated into it, which I think stands for digital analog converter. I may be wrong. And so I had to buy one at enormous cost, more than $50, let's say, which is what GoPro are asking for it. And then of course the mic, which luckily I only paid about $10 for. And then of course a converter to convert, so another adapter to convert the microphone jack, which had the wrong type of jack on the end of it, to convert that to another type of jack to then plug into the GoPro microphone adapter. Well, anyway, I've tested it and it appears to work, so here we are. Yeah, we're what, 2 blocks away from where we need to be. This bit always takes forever, and people just sit around. You have to remind them they're actually driving a car. And sometimes I have to remind myself that I'm not on a sightseeing tour. I'm supposed to be actually getting somewhere, or at least getting from A to B as quickly as possible, because it is a courier service after all. I don't think he's going to let them out. Yes, he is. Where is he? Go on then. Well, I was going to let him out, but I don't think he could see properly. What time is it? Oh, well, I'm a little bit early. Well, I'm not actually. I'm arriving at exactly the time I said I would, which is 2:15. I'm going to sneak through here. When I started doing this, I thought that this bike might be too wide and a bit cumbersome for this type of work, but in actual fact it's just right. You could probably do better on a scooter, but maybe with a little less power. So here we are in Palermo, which is full of cobbled streets, which are not my favourite, to be honest, because it is rather uncomfortable. Now, let's see if I can get in. Ah, yes.